Just picture yourself waking up in 2023 with a bank account filled to the brim with money. It seems like a dream, doesn't it? So let's make that dream a reality right now. We'll go through the top 10 money habits in this video that will put you on the road to true wealth and financial security. Every millionaire follows these habits. Do watch the video till the end, as the last habit is the most secret one and is also the soul of all the habits. So now let's start. 1. Make your bill negotiations. In order to lower your monthly expenses and debt repayment obligations and increase your ability to invest for the long term, try to negotiate whatever bills you can. Most businesses are likely to cooperate with you to reduce your monthly fee to a more manageable sum because they do not want to lose you to their rivals. 2. Apply coupons to essential purchases. It's not always necessary to completely cut out all spending to develop improved money habits. No matter how much they cost, you must purchase a certain number of things. No matter what, you'll occasionally find yourself purchasing items like financial books and also basic items like toothpaste in your grocery cart. In order to save money if you need to make a purchase, it might be very helpful to keep an eye out for the product coupons. Many shops often provide a mega sale, and there you will get the items in cheap. Don't miss those opportunities. 3. Reduce credit card debt. In all cases, debt is not a negative thing. We may buy a house with debt since we are still young enough to enjoy it for many years. Debt enables us to purchase a car when the initial price may prevent us from doing so for a number of years. Certain debts might be helpful, however, the majority of debts can also lead to several issues. Studies reveal that 38.1% of American families have credit card debt, with the average amount owed per individual being $5,700. Due to the fact that credit card debt is frequently for items that might be lived without rather than big purchases like a vehicle or home, it is particularly terrible. Some big tensions and sources of dissatisfaction in your life will be eliminated if you can pay off debt and accumulate funds. If you want to get updated with latest financial tips and tricks, then do subscribe our channel and also hit the like button. 4. Track expenses. Keeping track of your spending might be challenging because you have to be completely honest with yourself about where your money is going every day. The most crucial financial habit to develop is this, though. When it comes to your spending, you must be extremely careful and absolutely honest with yourself. Keep track of all the purchases you and your family made that day each evening. Keep all of your credit card statements, receipts, and notes so you may review your purchases afterwards. Each evening after making this list of items, record the details of the purchase, including the price. Perhaps you should include a message explaining the rationale for the purchase. 5. Consistently examine your finances. What gets measured gets managed is a proverb that serves as a reminder that the best approach to manage your money is to assess it daily. This is especially true when it comes to creating healthier financial habits. Finding a service that you enjoy and merging all of your bank accounts into it can help you get started. Examples of such tools are Mint and Personal Capital, which provide you a full financial picture. Include all of your investments, checking accounts, credit cards, personal property, such as a car or house, and investments in all of these. For a daily review of your money, log into your account with your cell phone or computer. By doing so, you can make sure that every transaction that has been recorded is accurate and that you are not being charged for items that you did not acquire. 6. Save your energy resources. Yes, it can be simple to leave a room without turning off the light. While it comes to your monthly electricity bill, however, making the effort to switch off your lights and appliances in your house, business, or apartment while they are not in use can help you save a sizable sum of money. Not only is it simple to develop the practice of shutting off your devices, but it also benefits the environment. 7. Prepare your own coffee, food, and meal. Even while purchasing a snack can seem like a cheap option, daily expenditures on these little items actually add up. Instead of paying for these items to be purchased on the move, prepare your meals at home and carry a snack and coffee every morning. As a result of not being forced to eat huge servings at a restaurant or deli, you will also be able to make better food choices. This is known as the latte factor, according to author David Bach, and it relates to the idea that one easy approach to reduce spending is to stop making those little, frequent purchases that may add up to a significant sum of money. Before leaving the house, invest in a sturdy coffee cup that is simple to grip and won't spill. If you are not spending cash on coffee every day at coffee shops, making a one-time investment in a high-quality cup will rapidly pay for itself. 8. Create and assess your budget. Making a budget and strictly adhering to it are both necessary. This goes beyond merely keeping track of your spending. Instead, you will need to consider your expenditures carefully and seek for methods to save money on your outgoing cash. Start by doing a daily checkup. Every day, check your budget to remind yourself how much you have left to spend in each area. Then, spend an additional 30 minutes each week performing a wider budget assessment. During this time, you should look at your overall spending patterns and determine if you have been adhering to your plan. 9. Examine your invoice statements. Your internet or mobile phone bill may vary by a few dollars occasionally without your being aware of it. This frequently happens as a result of several little charges and fees that are added to your monthly billing bills. You will probably be able to identify possibilities to lower your bill by removing some of these charges if you take the time to review your invoices line by line each month. 10. Join Facebook groups related to garage sale. It is true that what one person discards as garbage, another may find valuable. When purchasing products like furniture or decorations, people frequently pay full price with the intention of selling them later on after fast changing their minds. And if you have kids, you know how fast they outgrow pricey retail price clothing. Check out what lightly used products your neighbors are selling on Facebook in your neighborhood to help significantly minimize this expense. Join any neighborhood garage sale organizations that exist and spend some time of the day looking through the postings. It is simple to identify clubs that specialize in buying and trading particular products that you might require. That's all for this video. Now you know all the 10 best money habits that could make you rich in 2023. Remember that all the millionaires are already familiar with these habits. You also must start adopting these. Do subscribe our channel and also press the like button. Let me know in the comments if you are left with any query. Share this video with as many friends as you can. Also suggest us that which video you want us to upload next. Thank you for watching till here.